Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Hey, I'm going to try out this new product and do a little review. This is called self-fusing silicone tape. It's made by Maxwel, and the specific number for it is KE30S, Kilo Echo 30 Sierra. This is about, I think, 10 meters worth of stuff, about 1 inch wide, and how it works is it's a self-sealing silicone. It sticks to itself, it's stretchable. It's got a crazy temperature range, something like -50 to like 500 degrees. The PSI, I don't remember off the top of my head, the pressure it can withstand. But the way it works is you seal it around something like a plumbing or an air duct, electrical connections, radiators or garden hoses, and a lot of marine uses as well. Quick directions on the back: you clean the surface to be cut off, to be wrapped, cut off the amount you need. And it's got a little plastic covering on it to cover the top silicone. You're going to unravel that as you need it. And if it'll focus, if you're using it as a pressure situation, which I will do, you want to stretch it, because stretching it as it seals it to itself will maintain a really tight seal. So let's show you what I'm going to use this for, or what my intended use for. Price on this as of May of 2018, by the way, is about $8. Again, if I'm wrong, I'll put the actual number right here at the bottom of the screen. Let's go take a look at the application I have in mind. Alright, we're way down in the bowels of my basement. This is at the very south end of our jacuzzi, our whirlpool mechanical room. And this cylinder here holds our filter. I've got a light there so we can see. And this little drain valve developed a leak right at the junction where it goes into the cylinder. I'll turn this fan off for a second. But I've not been able to get this stop to leak, and I don't want to drain 600 gallons, so I found this stuff and I thought it might be useful to try. So I'm going to wrap it around that point right there, stretch it under pressure, and we're going to see if we can seal that nuisance leak off, because it's nothing dramatic. I've got this little cylinder fan here keeping it at bay, but if I don't have to lose 2 cups or a quart of water a day that just goes down into the drain, and I don't have to, I won't. So less filling I have to do. Let's stretch this thing out and we'll try it out. I'll get this on a tripod. Here we go. The first step is to unwrap how much you think you need. I'm going to just unwrap enough to do a complete 360 around it. And I'm going to peel off the protective film that you're supposed to keep clean and dry, just enough as we use it. I'm actually cutting it off camera here. So here we go. This is kind of inconvenient with everything on here. I'll turn the fan off for a sec. I'm going to wrap this around so it seals onto itself. And I'm really going to stretch it. And the higher you stretch it, wow, it does grip. That's amazing. I'm going to put more than that on there, but I was amazed at how much it stretched. So I'm going to take some more off. I'm going to cut about another foot off, which would probably be about 2 feet once we're all done. I want to stretch it onto the face of the cylinder. Again, we're going to peel off the protective film. This self-sealing silicone feels like, well, like caulk, silicone caulk or something. So I'm going to put it more, stretch it here. And see how I'm really stretching that. What you can't see is I got it about 2 feet up here. There, look at that. And bring it around to here. Now it's on the white part of that. So if you do stick it to itself inadvertently, it kind of peels off. But I am going to try to get it on that wall. Wow. So right now, really impressed. 90 seconds into the application. You can see how it covered up that old caulk or whatever it was on there. I'm still going to try to get around here. I feel a little moisture down there, but that might have been from before. I'm going to turn off the camera for a second and do a little bit more, see what else I can seal up with this. And we'll come back and talk about it. Well, I tell you what, I am incredibly impressed with this product. This thing has, no kidding, been leaking for years. You can see by the chlorine pattern. It's just been a nuisance. And I finally got around to tackling it. But holy cow! It seals up the sides in a matter of seconds. This thing is done. No more dripping. Some residual water, but I can finally mop this up. And this thing is under pressure. Right now the system's off. But once I open up these valves and put it on, we'll take a look in a second. But the ease and the utilitarianness of this fix, of this tape, I mean, is incredible. So I'm going to turn the system on and put this under pressure, and we'll start to bring up our water, our jacuzzi again. So this is a huge recommend. For the price of this product, again, this is self-fusing silicone tape by Maxwel, the KE30S. Amazing. Go and buy yourself some. Any toolbox needs this stuff. Holy cow, do I sound like a paid spokesman, but nope, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer like you guys. Alright, hey, if this helps you out with your project, you like my video, hit subscribe, hit like. Thanks for watching.